For our 2022 Tighten and Tone Your Routine Challenge, just a quick overview of the tracker in case you had any questions at all. Basically, you are going to pick one from the list below, or something that you're doing currently that you want to make sure you keep doing, and then add one more thing. Here's a few ideas. Make your workouts, use a kitchen scale, take your vitamins, log your food, plan your meals, sleep enough every night, and even wear a weight vest. So my goals this week are get 7,500 steps a day, and then use a kitchen scale or measuring cup to know what a real portion is. And then I'm just going to go in there and check it off. Did I do it every meal every day? Did I hit that goal, that step goal? It's not perfect, but it's good enough. So I kept those two goals for the next one. I even added some more steps, and then added to make sure I hit my protein goal in there as well. And that's it. Just check it off. And then on Monday morning, you'll send this to me, and that'll be it. Have a great afternoon. And if you have any questions, let me know.